Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Ford Fiesta. So from any screen, let's just go back to CD. So CD, no CD in device. So from any screen, we go to phone. No phone's paired, please add a phone. So add and cancel. The instructions on the bottom corresponds.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So I'll just make sure Bluetooth is on there, and then we're watching out at the bottom for sync. So sync's come up, we click sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
540829, 540829, and again, so I'll click pair there, and you've got yes at the left hand side, no at the right hand side. Yes corresponds to that button, which we'll click. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And that's it connected.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.